Hey everyone, so today we're going to do an activity with congruent triangles. Up at the top I have copied and pasted the image that I think is really helpful, that shows the chart with the ones that do work and the ones that don't work. And then the activity, it starts here, and basically these guys at the top, these are like the headings of columns. So imagine each of these at the top in a column. And then there's all of these sets of triangles. It goes all the way from triangle number 1 to triangle number 24. And you're trying to sort them into these categories. The categories are side, angle, side, 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 angle, side, angle, 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 side, hypotenuse, leg, and then the last one, more than one method. So you're going to try to figure out which categories these triangles should go in. So let's start. I'm just going to show you a couple of examples. Number 1, so let's identify what's congruent and what's not. These sides are congruent, and these sides are congruent. The right angles are congruent, and then these are vertical angles, so those would also be congruent. So if I use pink, blue, orange, pink, blue, orange, that would be angle, started it wrong. Side, angle, side. There's two sides, the pink and the orange, with the angle between them. Oh, that's not what I wanted to take off. I wanted to take off these circles. What else can I use? I can use blue, orange, purple, blue, orange, purple. So that one is angle, side, angle. And looking at the other options, let's put this back. Let's see. So side, side, side doesn't work. I don't have enough information. I can cross that off from my list. I don't have a third side. Side, angle, side, I already said works. Angle, side, angle, I already said works. Hypotenuse, leg, I don't have the hypotenuse, so that's not going to work. And angle, angle, side. Well, you could argue that it works. Like if you go angle, angle, side like that, but then you're skipping over something. So I don't think that they want us to put that here. So I would say side, angle, side, and angle, side, angle would be the best options for this. So this one falls into more than one method. And I just think the easiest way to keep track of it is to write a 1 in there, because that's card number 1. So I'll do one more with all of us together. Number 2. I see that those two are the same. These two are the same. And then they share this one down the middle. I don't know anything about their angles though. So this is going to be just side, side, side. That's the only option. So that one is going to fall under the side, side, side category. And then I'd keep going from there. In order to help you check your work, I want to tell you how many of them I found for each of the categories. So I found, I'll use a different color. I found 2 total cards that were side, angle, side. I found 3 total cards that were side, side, side. We already found 1 together. I found 2 total cards that are angle, side, angle. 4 that were angle, angle, side. And 3 that were hypotenuse, leg. For those cards, it means that that postulate is the only one that worked. There weren't 2 options. It was like card number 2 where there's only one thing that worked. And then I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 that were more than one method. And we already found 1 of them. So that would be a way for you to check your answers. That should at least give you a guideline. And I suppose, like I showed you for number 1, you can make some arguments that maybe some other things work as well. So if your answers are just like a tiny bit off from mine, that's probably okay. But in general, that's how your answers should look